Welcome to Waterfront Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to prepare a simple, purposeful, practical life activity for sorting, designed to support the child's natural development through hands-on, meaningful work. In Montessori environments, practical life activities are foundational. They help the child develop independence, coordination, concentration, and a sense of order, essential tools for self-construction. To prepare this activity, we use a tray that fits neatly on a child-sized table. 2 or more bowls, depending on the number of different items, are placed for sorting, along with a container of mixed objects. The objects should be developmentally appropriate, safe, inviting to the senses, and easily distinguishable. Items like pom-poms in 2 colors, buttons, dried beans, or natural elements such as shells or stones offer rich sensory experiences. To make the work more challenging, add more colors, shapes, and more bowls to match the number of varieties. When presenting the work, we model it silently and slowly, one movement at a time. Through observation, the child absorbs the sequence and purpose. Quiet presentation honors their ability to learn through watching. Children are intrinsically drawn to purposeful activity. Sorting appeals to their innate desire for order, supports the development of visual discrimination, and helps refine their hand-eye coordination. Once the work is complete, the child is guided to return the tray to the shelf, just as they found it. This simple act nurtures care for the environment, responsibility, and independence. Practical life is the heart of the Montessori primary classroom. Through real, everyday tasks, the child builds concentration, confidence, and a deep sense of dignity. These activities prepare the child for all later. Thank you for joining us. We hope this inspires you to bring the beauty of practical life into your home or classroom. For more Montessori insights, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and explore our other resources.